Hello kids, I'm here to teach you about the computer components. And what are they? Let me look up on the internet and show you something. Oh yes, this one. Here, this is the monitor, a screen that shows everything that you're doing on the computer. Through the keyboard, you give commands to your computer. It's an input device, a keyboard. Yes, you type from it. And then there's a mouse, also an input device that you give commands from to the computer. And the commands and everything goes to the CPU. That's the brain of the computer. It does everything for you and solves everything. And this is how the whole set look like. But there's another way to look at it. Now there are laptops. Easy to use. It has all of those features inside one laptop. And you can use it anywhere. Like this. I can sit on the floor and use it. Or anyone can use it sitting in the park on a bench, listening to music. Or the babies and children can also use it easily. So have fun using the internet and the laptop.